You don't have to suffer to lose weight. Feeling tired of trying and failing? Have you started a bunch of diets, and even when you do lose weight, it just comes right back? Feels like nothing really works. And the worst part? You start thinking it's your fault. But let me tell you a truth no one talks about. It's not a lack of willpower. It's too many wrong strategies, ones that weren't made for real women, with real routines, messy hormones, and an inflamed body. Today, I'm going to show you a different path. Today I'll share 5 micro hacks that can totally shift your body and your mind. They're simple, but powerful. You don't need a gym, expensive supplements, or some super strict diet. These habits fit into your real life, and they'll help you lose weight with ease, balance your hormones, reduce inflammation, and get your energy back. Ready to do this together? Hack 1. Start your day with salt and lemon, a self-care ritual that changes everything. This habit might seem way too simple to make a difference, right? But that's exactly why it works. Because it's easy to stick to and brings real results. Before you drink coffee or eat anything in the morning, try this. Grab a glass of room temperature water, squeeze in half a lemon, and add a pinch of natural salt, like Himalayan pink salt. Sip it slowly and feel like you're starting your day by taking care of yourself. This isn't just a drink, it's a small self-care ritual. Now, let's talk about the benefits. This mix helps rehydrate your body after sleep, jumpstarts your metabolism, and replenishes the electrolytes your body needs to function well. It also helps reduce bloating, supports digestion, and even eases early morning food anxiety. It's like saying good morning to your body, telling it, "You can work properly today, I've got you." And you know what happens over time. You start noticing less bloating, more energy in the first hours of your day, and an overall lightness that used to feel impossible. This little hack helps you reconnect with your body. It's the first step to a day where you choose to prioritize yourself. And in the end, that's what creates change. Small choices made with love, repeated with consistency. Hack 2. Simple night fasting. The break your body is begging for you. Don't need to do 16, 18, or 24-hour intermittent fasting to see results. The truth is, what your body often needs most is a break. A real break, just a few hours without food to rest, repair, and rebalance. This micro hack is super simple. Try eating dinner earlier, ideally by 7 or 8 p.m., and after that, avoid snacking. No late night snacks in front of the TV. No, just a bite of cookies, and no harmless little chocolate. Give your body the chance to stop. At night, while you sleep, your body is doing all kinds of important stuff. Cell regeneration, hormone balancing, digestive system cleaning, and even burning fat. But if it's constantly busy digesting food, it can't do all of that properly. This overnight fasting window helps your body switch into healing mode. And no, you won't starve. Actually, within a few days, you'll start waking up with more energy, less bloating, and that feeling like something is finally working. This is the kind of habit that creates deep results, even though it doesn't feel extreme. And that's so freeing, realizing you can take care of yourself without suffering. Remember, your body knows what to do. You just need to give it the time and respect it deserves. Hack 3. Drink water before meals. The most overlooked trick that changes your relationship with food. It might sound silly, but this habit is a total game changer, literally. A lot of people confuse thirst with hunger, so they end up eating more than they need, thinking they're hungry, when in reality, they're just dehydrated. Drink a full glass of water about 10 to 15 minutes before every meal. This simple move helps your body get ready to digest, improves nutrient absorption, and most importantly, helps you eat more mindfully. When you're well hydrated, your brain responds better to signals of fullness. You actually feel like you've eaten enough, without that urge to go back for seconds or grab dessert out of impulse. Plus, drinking water before meals can help with emotional eating. You know that urge to snack when you're anxious, bored, or feeling low? Sometimes, water is the first step to getting back in control. This hack is so simple that a lot of people ignore it. But when it becomes part of your daily routine, it makes a massive difference. You start eating with more awareness, feel lighter after meals, and enjoy all the extra perks of being hydrated, like better skin, digestion, mood, and hair. Sometimes, the biggest transformation starts with just taking care of the basics, with love. Now let me share a little secret that changed everything for me. These hacks? They were just the beginning. The real breakthrough happened when I discovered a nutrition method made specifically for women's bodies, one that naturally balances hormones and helps you lose weight without the struggle. This method showed me that food is so much more than calories. It can actually be your best ally when it comes to burning fat, stopping emotional cravings, and healing the silent inflammation that keeps you stuck. And that's how the Carnivore Diet Ultimate Plan was born. A 100% female-focused plan designed for women ages 30 to 50 who want to transform their bodies from the inside out with a clean, simple, and super effective way of eating. What's inside the Carnivore Diet Ultimate Plan? A complete food plan based on real food. No processed junk foods that naturally balance your hormones and speed up fat burning. Easy recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. No boring meals, no stress. A simple, straightforward grocery checklist. A special hormone balance guide because your body deserves peace. This isn't just another diet plan. It's a transformation guide for women who are done with yo-yo diets and finally want real, lasting results. Hack 4. Daily mini movements. The hidden secret in small actions. Forget the idea that you need to hit the gym for an hour a day to lose weight. Your body wasn't made to stay still for hours on end. But it also doesn't need intense workout marathons. The magic happens in the small movements you make throughout the day. Get up every hour, even if it's just for 2 minutes. Stretch, walk to the kitchen, take the stairs, dance to your favorite song, stretch your arms. Any movement counts. What you're doing here is waking up your body. You're boosting circulation, sending signals to your brain that your body is active. And as a bonus, you're burning calories without even noticing. These little movements during the day help your metabolism, improve posture, boost mental energy, and reduce that heavy, stiff, sluggish feeling. Plus, moving regularly helps lower anxiety, improve focus, and even lift your mood. It's the kind of habit that doesn't need extra time, just awareness. When you trade rigid rules for ease, everything becomes more doable. And your body responds with gratitude, more energy, less pain, and a steady natural calorie burn. Moving your body doesn't have to feel like a chore. It can be a gift you give yourself, in small, loving doses, every single day. Hack 5. Choose foods that truly satisfy you. Give your body what it actually needs. Have you ever felt full but still wanted to keep eating? That's the difference between being full and being satisfied. True satisfaction happens when your body gets what it actually needs. Nutrients, protein, healthy fats, minerals. In other words, real food. This hack is all about making smart, nourishing choices. Instead of snacking on those boring, light foods that barely fool your hunger, start including more foods that actually hold you. Eggs, meat, broths, liver, olive oil, avocado. These foods trigger your satiety hormones, balance your blood sugar, and reduce the urge to constantly snack. You feel full for hours, with steady energy, and without that constant feeling of deprivation. And more than that, when you fuel your body right, it gets the message that it's safe. It stops holding on to fat just in case, and starts doing what it's meant to do. Burn fat, reduce inflammation, and find balance. This is one of the biggest secrets to losing weight with ease. Nourish instead of restrict. You don't need to eat less. You need to eat better. When you learn to listen to your body and give it what it truly needs, that crazy hunger fades away, and in its place, you get peace, control, and real freedom. You deserve to feel light, energized, and in control of your body. Now that you've seen how small changes can lead to big results, just imagine what could happen if you followed a full plan designed just for you. No more exhausting diets. No more yo-yo weight. No more trying to fit into plans that weren't made for your body. The Carnivore Diet Ultimate Plan was created for real women, just like you. Women who need energy, health, confidence, and ease. Women who want to lose weight without counting calories, starving, or feeling guilty. Click the link in the description and start your transformation today. Your body is ready. Now it's your turn to say yes to yourself. See you there. Kisses.